In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a singing voice in ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech version 3. It's a fascinating feature that introduces a unique and creative way to interact with synthetic voices. And if you're looking to sign up with ElevenLabs, don't forget to use our affiliate link to get started. So, let's dive right into how you can transform ordinary text into a melodious tune using ElevenLabs singing capability. It's quite straightforward. When you're entering your text into the ElevenLabs text-to-speech interface, all you need to do is use the sing tag. By adding this tag, you're essentially instructing the system that the text should be sung rather than spoken. It's a simple yet powerful way to leverage the capabilities of the platform. Once you've added the sing tag, the next step is to decide whether you want the text to be sung to a specific tune or let the system choose what fits best. If you have a particular melody in mind, make sure to specify that when entering your text. However, if you're flexible and open to experimentation, you can allow the system to generate a tune that best complements your content. This feature opens up a realm of possibilities for content creators, educators, and anyone interested in adding a musical element to their projects. That's all there is to it. This functionality is incredibly easy to use while offering a high degree of customization. Whether you're looking to create captivating audiobooks, engaging educational material, or even just fun and entertaining content, adding this musical dimension can dramatically enhance your output. There's no better way to capture your audience's attention than through a delightful song or melody woven into your narrative. Remember, experimenting with different tunes and styles can lead to some exciting and unexpected results, so don't hesitate to try various approaches. By making the most of this tool, you'll be able to create something truly unique and personalized. And again, if you're not yet signed up with ElevenLabs, be sure to use our affiliate link to join and start your musical text-to-speech journey. With just a few tweaks and tags, you'll be turning plain text into an extraordinary auditory experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy experimenting with the singing voice feature in ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your tech tools. Have a musical day, and see you next time.